Good morning, peeps. This is my new box of Goth. I think this one's supposed to be a unisex one, so I'm going to be very interested to see what's inside it. I love guessing these. My favourite part of the month. Okay, let's save me struggling a bit. I've loosened the lid. There we go. White this time. Because it's the December one. It's beautiful white. I use these for bedding for my little toys. Okay, so that's out. Just see what all this is. We've got pure honey, Tiptree. Now, personally, I don't like honey, but it's cold season, so I'm sure I'll get to use it with the lemon that I've got downstairs. It's about the only thing that makes my throat feel better. Now then, what's here? What we got? Oh my goodness, I do love their bags. In fact, I like everything about their whole process. What have we got? We have got... That is awesome. Slasher hand. And as if we needed any reminder of who that's from. Next is another cute little baggie. Oh, I just realised there's a... Oops, fell off. Yeah, one of those honeybee honey stirrers. Right, I'll get back to that in a minute. I broke it as it came out. Typical. Oh, that is amazing. They get some incredible things, and that really is three-dimensional as well, as you can see. Studs. And this one is excellent. Oh, look at that. That is amazing. Little mouth grill. Trying to show the back. There we go. Little mouth grill. And we all know who that is too. Now then, pièce de résistance. Little Legoland Kopf figure. And here we've got a little stack box, so we can guess what that is, can't we? Do we know that's Hellraiser? Oh, I got a pinhead. I've got a pinhead. Look at that. That is so cool. Oh, amazing. My favourite film. Or a Cinnabon. Sweet. And the theme badge, I think. Yep, the theme badge we have there. It's a crown, face, stabby. Sweet. Oh, and there's the stand. I forgot there's another bit to that. That's the stand too. Hellraiser. Chucky! And Duck, yeah, it wouldn't have been complete without Chucky, would it? What do we have? Let's hope we don't have a nightmare. Boom. I've got the little sheet, tells you everything that we've got. And tag. Oh, sweet! I scare people with that. Hang it over the door, the Overlook Hotel. I wonder how many of my friends would actually know what the heck that meant. We'll see. Just need to get a coffee and fit. Okay, so this was what was in the envelope. The blue flame. Loser. That's what that says. Loser. And this was a thank you for your support extra. I'm presuming this goes out with all the subscription boxes, not just mine. Oh, excellent. We've got another one. That is brilliant. Loving this box to pieces. Yes, the Horror Kings box is empty apart from this one scroll, which I'm guessing is going to be Yep, I was wrong. Affiliation Studio. Giving us some amazing Horror Kings and Queens. Poster picture. Yep, I think this is one of the coolest hauls so far. I love this box. I will continue to get this box. There are so many unique items in this. I can't find anywhere else. Love it. Thank you so much for doing this box of Goth.